Hello, good morning students. Today I am going to start the factors of chemical reactions. Yesterday I have told to you about the order of the reaction. So there are zero order reaction, first order, second order and the third order. In this syllabus we are using a zero order and the first order. So what will happen? In the first question they are asking if K is equals to 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. So students, K is equals to 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 liter square mole minus square and second square. Find order of the reaction. In this one we have to find the order of the reaction. So when we have to find the order of the reaction we are using a unit. Here we are using a mole upon liter 1 minus n and second inverse. So second inverse is cutted. After this what will happen? Mole upon liters minus 2. Mole upon liter minus 2. Second inverse are cut each other. So here 1 minus n is equals to minus 2. And came here minus 2 minus 1 n is equals to 3. This is a third order of reaction. But in our syllabus third order of reaction is not coming. So this is a unit of it. So unit of K is mole upon liters 1 minus n second inverse. And this thing you have to learn. Now we arises a second question. In a second question it is written here 2a plus 3b gives product. 2a plus 3b is the reactant. In this one what we have to do? Order of reaction with respect to a. Here they have given the value a is 2 and b the value minus 1. So according to this we have to find out the order of the reaction and the rate law. So first question is this. Concentration of A is double alone. Now concentration of A is double alone. So what will happen here? ROR you all know, that is the rate of the reaction. Here ROR, the symbol we have taken R, is equals to K A square B minus 1. It is B minus 1. So order of the reaction is 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So this is the first order of the reaction. So in a first one question they are asking concentration of A is double alone. So in the answer you can see initial rate R is equals to K A square B minus 1. This value already given us. So R dash is equals to K 2A square B minus 1. R dash is equals to 2 to the 4 and R dash is equals to 4R. After this the second one they are asking that concentration of B is half. Concentration of B is half. In this one R is equals to K A square. So here R is equals to K A square B minus 1. R dash came as K 2A square B minus 1. 2 and minus 1 value already given for us. So R dash is equals to 2 square. That 2 square means 4. R dash is equals to 4R. Now the second question they are asking. In a second question they are asking that concentration of B is half alone. Now here they are asking alone. Okay. So don't be confused in double and alone or single. So here we have taken R is equals to K A square B minus 1. This already value given for us. After this R is equals to A square V upon 2. Why upon 2? Because they are taking as half. That's why it is 1 upon 2 and minus 1. So R dash upon R is equals to the 2 and R dash is equals to 2R. This rate increases 2 times. Third question they are asking concentration of A and B both is double. Now both things are double. Both things are double. In the fourth question they are asking volume of container increase 3 times. And they are asking the order of the reaction with rate law. So volume of container increase in concentration means molarity will come. If we increase the volume of the concentration of species, it means it will decrease. They both are vice versa to each other. Fine. So here in this one concentration is inversely proportional to volume and the formula which is come as number of moles of a volume of solution in liters. So formula I have told to you number of moles of A upon volume of solution in liter. Volume increase 3 times and concentration decrease 3 times. This is a vice versa. So R dash is equals to K A upon 3 ka square B upon B minus 1. So answer is coming as R dash upon R 1 upon 3 square into 1 upon. So it is 1 upon 3. So answer is coming as 1 upon 3. Okay. So overall R dash is equals to R upon 3 is coming. So students, next we start the zero order of the reaction. In the zero order of the reaction we are using a one equation. A is equals to the product where A is the reactant. What will happen if ROR is written in small r is equals to K A naught. So what will happen? Rate R, small r has taken and is equals to the K, that is a rate constant. K we have taken as a rate constant. then ROR is move forward, then A concentration going slow. This is the vice versa of both the things. So by experimentally we have make a two graph. In a one graph we are saying a concentration definitely decrease with time, but rate no changes. So in this one the straight line formation takes place. In a second one graph they are rate with the time they are using. In this rate does not change with time, not depend on time, whereas depend on the temperature. It not depend on the time, it depend on the temperature. After this, so rate neither changes with time and not changes with concentration. This is very important. Please write down in your copies. Now we started in a zero order integration of zero order reaction. So integration we are using rate is equals to R is equals to K A naught. Fine. Rate is equals to R minus 1 upon 1 dA upon dt. Why we are using here dA upon dt? Because it is a very small amount. Okay. So integration, we have taken up one example. A gives a product. So by the integration we have find out R is equals to small r is equals to K A naught. A reaction A gives a product. So in an integration form it will be dA upon dt is equals to K A naught. Here A naught we have taken. So T is equals to 0 and A is equals to A naught in initial. So dA upon dt is equals to the K. Integration sign we are putting dA. In this dA, A will remain upside and A naught remain downside. So in an integration of dA, we have taken as A is equals to A upon A naught and K T upon 0. So A minus A naught is equals to K T minus 0. A will come on a one side and KT come on a one side. A minus A0 is equals to minus KT. So overall it is coming as A is equals to A naught minus KT. This is very important and it is coming 99%, it is coming this equation. Okay, after that in this one A naught is equals to initial concentration. A is equals to concentration of A at any time. K rate constant, T is the time in which the concentration A naught will takes place. So here the two graphs formation takes place. The graph will takes place with the concentration of A with time, and second graph will takes place concentration of R with time, and it form a theta that is said to be the tan theta that is equals to K. Okay, after this we will start one question. So students, in a graph one is a negative slope and second is a positive slope. One question arises, it is in your notes. So this one said to be the reaction that is zero order reaction. So students, these all things you have to write it in your copy and please complete your work nicely, and the rest things we will do tomorrow. Thank you students and have a nice day.